Here's the CN Freight with the two GP40-2Ws. And in the background there, you can see the bus depot. I'm going to get a good picture of that later on, once this is finished coming through the shot. Or maybe I'll finish up with that. I'm going to chase this around a little bit. And it's got this cool Line color mark car. Those were great for the 1970s. And there's the caboose. That port's going to be amazing when it's finished. And I'll finish it up by going back to that bus depot and having a look at it from the other side, because that's really interesting. They're all in like the Voyageur color scheme from the 1980s, I would say. And there's a Greyhound scenic liner. A couple of them sitting there. Very interesting. It's all these little background corporations that make the layout really cool. I'll finish it up, I guess, with the Continental Can Company. Pretty good. Last time I was here, this was nothing but a flat. Look, they've added lights to it, customized sign, everything. And over here too, this warehouse too has a customized sign as well. And it has a boxcar in there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.